Women's event 307, girls 10 and under, 50-meter freestyle. Heat 1. Swimming lane 1, Francia of PCA Stingray. Lane 2, the Magnolia of Santa Rosa City. Lane 3, Maguban of Santa Rosa City. Lane 4, the Sabe of South Tropics. Lane 5, the Sandra of Wild Fish. Lane 6, the Naira of Compass Aquatics. Lane 7, the Lenanza of Santa Rosa City. Lane 8, Oros of South Tropics with Team.
Tayo na ito doon, nasa pastry.
Go, Candice! Go, Candice!
Swimmers for event 308, please proceed to the red event now. Once again, swimmers for event 308, please proceed to the red event.